G'day, my name's Wilfred West from Loch, Victoria, Australia. Today's date is the 21st of the 3rd, 2016, and it's about 14 to 10 in the morning. Now, I put some bird seed down there before, just hoping to track this bird, and he did go down before, but since I'm standing here, which is about, I'd say 15, 10 to 20 feet away type thing, I'd say. He's a bit cautious. So I hope he'll go onto the bird feeder. Me standing here. Look at the colour of him, it's zoomed in halfway. Oh, we've got the magpie coming. Oh well. You would have to interfere, eh, magpie? Well, two magpies are here. They'll make a mess. I was hoping to catch the colour one feeding, but oh well. See how that magpie just makes a mess everywhere. Doesn't give it two shits about the rest of the thing. He just picks what he's after, then scatters the rest all on the ground. Kinda rude, eh? Oh well, I'm gonna go off down to the beach and I'll have to let them sort it out. Oh well. Oh, we've got a red one in there too. Oh well, my name's Wilfred West from Loch, Victoria, Australia, signing off. Thank you again for watching my videos, and all comments are welcome. You have a great day now.